A wave of intense protest has erupted from the Muslim community after an incident of the Holy Quran being set on fire in Santibastwad village near Belagavi. Thousands gathered at Chennamma Circle in Belagavi expressing their outrage by tying black bands around their arms. Protesters carried placards reading, "Protecting the Holy Quran is our duty." Young men joined the protest holding the Indian tricolour flag demanding capital punishment for those responsible for burning the Quran. The protest has remained peaceful so far, but anticipating possible tension, authorities have deployed around 2,000 police personnel in the area to prevent any untoward incident. The incident has not only caused unrest locally but also sent shock waves across the state. Community members have strongly condemned the act, stating that desecrating the Quran is not only an attack on the religious sentiments but also a threat to social harmony. Protesters have urged the government to take swift action and award the strictest possible punishment to the culprits to prevent such deeply hurtful incidents in the future.
This is the time when we need the support of the community, because what has happened, that is a heinous crime which has been perpetrated by some miscreants, and this crime is a crime against the entire country. It's a crime against humanity. So this is a time when we need the support of everyone. We need the support of the community members. We need the support of the leaders, and we are also doing our investigation. We will take this case forward. We will not leave it like that. We will definitely arrest the accused.
People are outraged because still no one accused was arrested.
See, this is not a very simple case. We do have some clues, but we cannot just arrest anyone like that. We want evidence. So we need to provide corroborative evidence, and for that we will be doing it.
Regarding this case, one CPI is also suspended, sir.
Yes, regarding this issue, the local inspector has been suspended because earlier as well some issues happened for which no action was taken by the inspector. So on that basis, we have suspended that inspector.
Any extra force evacuated in Santibastwad village?
Yeah, we have extra forces everywhere. Already, we have taken forces from many different districts, and we have sufficient forces for this.
So what do you want to tell to general public, sir?
The general public is that we should maintain peace and calm at this time. See, this is the time when all of us as Indians, we should unite. This is the time when we should be together, we should stand together. And this is the time when everyone should be supporting the police department.
This is one of a kind incident, quite rare. The district is known for its peaceful citizens. It is known for its tranquility. We will not let the peace and tranquility of this district be disturbed. All the members of the community have approached the office of the police commissioner and also the office of the deputy commissioner. It's a very peaceful protest that is being coordinated by all the leaders of the community. We have given assurance from the side of the police that investigation will be conducted in full swing, and also that the culprits will be apprehended and will be produced in front of the courts of law as soon as possible. All the people who have gathered here in front of the DC's office today are peaceful in nature, and they have honored the word of the police department before, and they will honor the word of the district administration today. Thank you.
What do you want to urge the general public, sir?
People should always remain peaceful. The department, the administration is always with law, with peace and with people. We will live up to that expectation and will make sure that all the people who have committed this heinous crime are apprehended.
जो 3 दिन पहले संतीबस्तवाड़ में जो कुरान शरीफ की बेअदबी हुई है, जो कुरान शरीफ को जलाया गया, उसके बढ़ के जुल्म हमारे हिसाब से कोई नहीं हो सकता। तो हम यही चाहते हैं एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन से कि जो भी ये किया है उसे अरेस्ट कीजिए, उसे अरेस्ट करके उसको सजा दीजिए, और हमें ये प्रोटेस्ट है ये सब आराम से शांतिपूर्वक कर रहे हैं। हमें किसी को तकलीफ देना नहीं है, ना तो कोई व्यापारी को, ना तो कोई दूसरे इंसान को। संतीबस्तवाड़ में हिंदू भाइयों ने भी यही कहा और बेलगाम में भी कहा, सिटी में भी कहा कि ये जो बहुत बुरी हरकत हुई है, हम सब मिलकर इसकी खंडित करते हैं और सब मिलके यही मांग करते हैं कि उसको अरेस्ट किया जाए।
घटना हो के इतने दिन हुआ तो अभी आज तक आरोपियों का पता नहीं है।
पुलिस और इन्वेस्टिगेट मारा करता रहो। ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮುಂದಿನ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ದಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ 3-4 ದಿವಸ ಒಳಗೆ ಅದ್ರ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಸಿ ಪಿ ಐ ಸಾಹೇಬರು 3 ತಿಂಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಏನು ಘಟನೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಈದ್ಗಾ ಮೇಲೆ, ಅದು ನಿರ್ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದು ನಿರ್ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, ಅದು ಡಿಪಾर्टमेंटल इदिದೆ.
ಜನರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮನವಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತೀರಿ? ಜನರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮನವಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ बयस्ತೀರಿ?
सभी से यही बोलता हूँ मैं और यही मांग करता हूँ कि हमारी मांग है कि उसे अरेस्ट किया जाए, उसे सजा दी जाए और हम ये आराम से और शांतिपूर्वक हमें प्रोटेस्ट करके आगे जाएंगे.
7 दिन का ये दिया है
कमिश्नर साहब बोले हैं कि 7 दिन के अंदर हम उसको करेंगे, पकड़ेंगे.